Sprinkle salt and pepper on the chicken and massage it to absorb the flavors. You can also add pepper to enhance its flavor. Season the chicken so that the flavor seeps to the bone. Prepare the pan for cooking. Add butter and a little oil to prevent the butter from burning and melt it. Saute the potatoes for 1 minute to prevent them from becoming mushy. Add the carrots so that they cook together. After cooking, remove it from the pan and set it aside for a while. Briefly saute the garlic and onions to add aroma to your dish. Next, add the chicken and saute for 3 minutes until it is slightly brown. After that, add the chicken stock that I prepared with 1 chicken cube. It's up to you. Cover and boil for about 40 minutes until the chicken becomes tender. Remove the lid and check the chicken. By the way, I haven't added the fish sauce for seasoning yet, so let's add half a teaspoon of fish sauce. Add the slurry or cornstarch 1:1 ratio and assess the thickness of the broth. Gradually add it to check its thickness. Sorry, but the video clip where I added the carrots and potatoes is missing. My chicken wings with carrots and potatoes. Please don't forget to